an explanation right now, yaar. What nonsense is this? Okay, every time you guys do this. Who's responsible for this? Why you play chaya chaya? You tell me why the play chaya chaya, yaar. You tell me why is it play chaya chaya?
Sharma, I told him to.
No, what do you mean you told him to play?
Sharma, because I saw you there standing, and the screen didn't come on. The guy was standing like a you know.
But the girl standing. Shut up, yaar. What nonsense is this, yaar? Every day we have the every day, yaar. It's not one day. This is the 10th damn show we are doing here. Yeah, but I got hurt on my back. I don't know, suddenly the damn thing starts. Who's supposed to... Mohammed, are you responsible for this shit? Who's supposed to put the AV on? You're supposed to put the AV on? Who's supposed to put the AV on?
My AV didn't.
Alba, you're supposed to put the AV on?
My AV cracked a bit.
Whose responsibility is it? Whose responsibility is it? It's your responsibility.
Why hasn't it come on here? Every day we have to say this.
Only that particular AV, the signal went wrong from the...
His AV is
Or
going
even
on
my
here.
AV is gone, Mazhar. I'm standing like a cunt out there when my AV is not on. What do you want me to do? Jerk off on stage?
AV was on time.
Hey, pause.
How is
I
it?
know your
I got
Only
I have 15 minutes in
your
the show.
AV, the signal went wrong, but otherwise everybody's AV is played properly.
Mine didn't play properly.
Sorry?
Why is my AV wrong?
No, something went wrong in the van.
You should get shocked with the damn thing and then the AV goes wrong.
No, someone says that the LED got off, but
I got hurt, I don't know when it's starting, I run down. What is this nonsense? LED didn't go off. LED came on 2 seconds later, yeah. How did the LED come on? Why did you put chaya chaya? You don't have any brains. Are you guys drunk while you're doing the show? What is it?
No, but Sharma, this guy standing there and the side screen started moving.
It looks more foolish, right?
Yeah, more foolish.
Why do you have to say chaya chaya? It looks more foolish if you say chaya chaya.
But then
But
Shahrukh, it was
it's his
completely
job
black
to
and
play it, no?
maybe should have.
What are you guys are just putting the blame on one guy, yeah? Why is the AV not? Explain to everyone.
There's some signal went wrong from the van.
Signal means what?
I don't know, LED went off. I don't know why the LED went off.
What do you mean LED? But it came on 30 seconds. 5 seconds it was
He
on.
corrected it. He did something in the van. Then probably some wire or something had come out. I don't know what happened. Only that particular point of the rest, all the AVs are played.
No, even mine went
Wait,
off,
wait,
Mazhar. I'm
wait.
sorry. Even mine went off.
But what's the
But
point?
they
They keep
also-
calling us for rehearsals, tech
There was
rehearsals.
no AV understanding there for like 5 minutes.
These are
I
technical
don't know what to do.
things. This is the 10th show. It is not the first show. How can we keep on up with every show? Every show, this is the 10th show. We've only 7 left now, yeah.
Even when we were picking up the properties, the LED came up and we were all...
Last minute.
Yes.
Making.
Yeah, we all are picking up the stuff.
No, one second, everyone shut up, yeah. I want Mazhar to explain. Please explain to us what went wrong.
Making AV I played when
They all
Sanjeev
told
asked
from
me to
backstage.
play.
Whose fault is it? Your fault, Sanjeev? Mazhar's fault.
They told from backstage that place.
Whose fault is it, Ganesh? Why is it like
That
that?
No, I'm cute. I'm sitting in one truck behind. If somebody tells me to play, I play. Making AV I played as soon as they told me to play. They just
That day also
play.
classical didn't start and.
No, but listen, when it up, can you not laugh at least? Guys, fucking cracking up both of you guys. And I mean, we're trying to put on a show and like, you know, just laugh.
No, I'm not laughing.
Mazhar?
I seriously, I didn't laugh.
He was not there.
Didn't laugh.
We were not
I
there.
didn't laugh.
I just think if you screw up so big time, you shouldn't laugh. I mean, we make mistakes.
It's something serious and it's not something to laugh.
खत्म हुआ एक्ट तो फेडर चेंज करना टू द बीटा तू यार उसी पे रखा हुआ है कैमरे पे
Yeah, but that was something which was going on to black, right?
या बट ब्लैक नहीं वो लस्ट पावर सब आते हैं लेट आते हैं
I mean, last powers of time pass.
Time pass.
What am I talking about? I'm talking about that the only thing where you need to change betas is the only little problem. What are we talking about? Why are we talking about lusting power, Ganesh?
You have to change the meter.
So then why does it
Shahrukh bhai, I agree, yours went wrong, only your place, your...
But why my brakes still cracked, Mazhar?
That's the signal, some problem came from the van. I don't know why the signal didn't go to the LED.
but he's saying it was
Every
there
show there is something on the
The
signal.
signal was not there on the projection screens, right?
Yeah,
So I switched the projection screens and the LED together. It was there on the projection screens, it wasn't coming out.
No, this always happens.
No, but every show there is something or the other that is happening.
मैंने किधर बोला था लंदन में बोला था
Tell him now, explain to him, don't hang your head like
What
a
do you just
schoolboy. It's not school,
You
man.
should just say it, na? If somebody's not competent and somebody's not there, we're all friends, but we need to change it for the technical reason. Huh? But Atul, don't tell him. Mazhar, and he's been doing it for years. It's not like first time he's doing it, yeah?
मतलब क्या
मेरे को बोलना किधर
गलत
है? उसके-
Priyanka, Preeti and Rani, get up and give Mazhar a hug because we all love him.
I even wanted to like.